Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dog Day from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to start right here with a curve, small little curve, and then I'm going to connect it towards the center to create this rounded off triangle. And then from there, well, let's go ahead and just put a little highlight right here and shade it all in. Then from there, we're going to come to the side of the nose right about here, and we're going to draw a big curve for the eyes. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and go up nice and high and come right back down and connect it. So let's do the same thing on the other side. About right here, go up nice and high, come down just like the other side, and connect. There, so we have the openings for the eyes. Then we're going to come inside, and towards this edge we're going to draw a big oval. And same thing here. There, and now I'll come in here real quick and shade this all in. There, so now that we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and we're going to start the mouth. So let's say about right here, we're going to continue this coming out and we're going to curve out. So same thing over here. We're just going to continue and then curve out. But before we finish that, let's go back up and let's say find your center about right here. We're going to go up about here. Give myself a point, and then from there I'm going to draw a curve coming down and close to the eye and finishing it off. Just like the other side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a curve coming up, go around the eye and come right back down. Just like this side. And then right in the center, I'm just going to lightly draw a line in the center to separate the different colors on the head. There. And now that I look at it, I'm going to make this part right here a little pointier, just like the other one. Definitely make any adjustments you need. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to go ahead and then come out right here. We're going to come out, not too much, just a little bit about right here. We're going to draw two curves, just kind of two little tufts of fur. And same thing here, curve, and another one. And then we're going to, let's see here, let's come back in here in the center. And we're going to come down to the center of this nose. We're going to come out right underneath the eye, and we're going to go all the way up to about right here where the head, on the side of the head, and then same thing here. We're just going to curve all the way. So this is the beginning of where the smile is, the big smile. So bring this curve all the way right here. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and just cap it off. Cap it off, and then we're going to draw a really big curve. So we're going to bring this all the way down for this huge smile. So I'm going to say, I'm going to find my center first, and then I'm going to come down, say about right here, just so I know where I'm going. It's just a little bit easier for me to see since I'm drawing pretty big, and I know where to bring my curve down to. I just want a really deep smile, because that's what these smiling critters are all about, right? So, once again, we're just going to connect everything. There. And then before we colored that all in, we need to come back in here in the center, about right here, and I'm just going to bring in 2 curves for the tongue. There, and then now we can go ahead and shade this all in black. So it's going to take me a little while. This is a really big smile. So I really hope you love these smiling critters I've drawn. This will be my second one. I drew the cat one already, and this is the second one. So definitely let me know in the comments below what's your favorite smiling critter and which one you would like me to help you draw next. There, all done with a huge smile. Then we're going to come back about right here, and we're going to draw a curve to connect everything, and it's going to be really low, really shallow right here. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and just connect everything. So it's going to be really close right there, and same thing here because it's a really big smile. And connect. There. A little wobbly, but come back in here and fix it. Okay, then from there, we need to draw the ears. So I'm just going to come back up here in this area right here, and we're going to draw 2 curves. One, and then another one. And then bring it down. And then I'm not going to draw all of it, but about right here, do the same thing. Because we need to draw the body first so we know how far we can bring in the ears, but just want to give you an idea first. So about right here, so same thing. We're just going to curve it out. And so then we can come back up here and draw the brow. So that's why I wanted to, oops, there. Draw this curve right here and here. I didn't want to forget this. Okay, there. And then from there, let's draw the body first before we finish the ears. So let's like underneath this tongue, I'm going to skip a little bit of space and then give myself a line. So same thing here, about right here. Nice and center. And then I'm going to bring this out a little bit for the body. And let's keep going down. Just keep going wider. And then about right here, I'm just going to bring it in. So same thing here. Wider and then bring it in. Just give it a little bit of a curve. There. And then just imagine this is coming down for the body in the center area. I'm going to say about right here. Just going to draw a little curve, so we know where the legs are going to start. So right in the center, I'm going to draw 2 angle lines coming out. This just kind of gives me an idea of where everything's going to start. So then about right here, we're just going to bring it down to continue to draw the legs. So bring this in to about right there, and then I'll cut it off. So same thing on the other side. So bring it in. Make this one a little bit wider, just like this side, and connect. It was starting to look a little too thin. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the feet. So let's come right here, draw a curve, and then we're going to come out and down, give a little angle, and bring it in. And then right about here, you can draw 2 curves. So same thing over here. Curve, and then once again come out, and about right here, bring it in. An angle about right there, and another angle. once again, 2 curves for the feet. And then now we can draw the hands. So we're going to have them coming out wide. So let's say about right here. We're going to bring this down a little bit more, maybe right there and here, and connect there. And then we can go ahead and draw the hands. So we're going to come out with a thumb and then another curve. And then right here, we're going to draw some fingers. We're going to draw 3 fingers. 1, little line, another one, little line, and then a smaller finger, and then connect everything. There. And from there, let's draw the other one. So let's bring this across about right here. And here, so let's go ahead and just like the other side, about this much, just approximate, and then connect. And then once again, a finger, and a curve, and then the thumb, and then the fingers. So give a little line, another one, another little line, and then a small one, and then connect everything. There. Okay, finally done. And then from there with the hands. So then now we can draw the ears. So let's see here. We have enough space to come down. And we'll just kind of put it about right here, right over the hands. And connect and bring it all the way back in. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this point across right there and right over the hand. And connect. There. And then finally, let's draw the details right here in the center. So we're going to draw the tummy area. So let's come down and draw the very important pendant. So I'm going to come down about right here. That's my center. And I'm just going to draw this curve for the necklace part. And then we need to draw the sun, right? It's like a gold sun pendant. So I'm just going to come right here and draw these rays that come out into this circular shape. Hopefully it's going to be circular. There, something like that. And then right in the center, we're going to draw the sun. Maybe I should have drawn the circle first. Yes, I think. Draw this curve right here, and then right underneath it, draw the circle. Then I think it would be much easier to draw the rays that go around it. Then the rays will make a little bit more sense. Okay, there. And then from there, let's draw the tummy part. So let's say about right here. Just going to add a little curve. And I guess we have whatever space we have, and then draw a curve coming down. And same thing here. So we're just going to flare out a little bit and then round off and connect. Oops, sorry cuties. I just realized I forgot to draw the tail for Dog Day. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve up with whatever space we have left underneath this arm, and we're just going to come down, and then maybe a little tuft of fur coming out, and then another one, and then bring it right back in. There. And now I think I'm pretty much done. I think I've gotten everything. And I think that the toy version has a zipper, but this is not, I'm drawing the cartoon version, so I'm not putting a zipper. But if you want to, you would just put a straight line down the center. You want to put a little zipper in it. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Dog Day from Smiling Critters. I really hope you love how this turned out and that helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.